It was a 3-man test drive, this one was, so I've had to vacuum it all back out again. Good morning everyone, it's Saturday morning. Just getting this little KA ready for a handover today at 1 o'clock. It just needs a once over. I've already done it. You can get out of there, that fly, look. I've already cleaned it, I'm just giving it a once over, making it a little bit tidier. Because after test drive as well, you get bloody one of them things. We've only got 2 Fiat 500s left now. We've got a green one and a white one, and I think we've got more stock coming on towards the tail of end of next week, because we've got another auction. We haven't bought yet, but we've got some lined up, so fingers crossed if it's all the right price, we're going to buy more. And yeah, it's warm as well, very warm. And I haven't put my t-shirt on today, so I'm going to be sweating today. But yeah, I'm going to crack on with this and then go down and see Sarah in the office. The next day was Sunday, and someone wanted to view one of the cars which we hadn't prepped, which put us under some kind of pressure. Right, so we've just had a phone call about 20 minutes ago. Someone wants to come over. It's Sunday afternoon. They want to come over and have a look at this Fiat 500. Sarah's decided to get a chocolate bar and sit in the car and eat it. Well, while I'm panicking here, like, you know, trying to quickly wash it and get it clean and tidy and make sure it starts and everything else that you got to do. Sarah's just chilling over there. Yeah, well, we know, yes. She probably hasn't got any of the paperwork in a bag, can't find the spare key. Usual stuff that happens on a Sunday afternoon.
What now?
I'm just, you know, just
moaning. All you've done is moan.
telling everyone that I'm washing a car, like. It's not really moaning, like, when it's organisation. It's called organisation, sir.
Organisation in you. I have to organise you.
Yeah.
Just chill out, it's Sunday. I know you can clean that car.
That's what I'm on about.
Hurry up, Fran.
Is this
You've not done it yet?
Is this the room we're using today?
Oh, I've got all my stuff down there, but they're only coming to look at it, so.
Well, you don't know. Oh shit! I think I just...
Stop it then, look what you're doing. Oh, whilst you're there, can you water the flowers, please? Lovely flowers. Amplify Jill. Mother Jill.
Jesus.
Right.
You know how we do with the 1.2.
What are you laughing at?
I'm a bit haywire with this hose today.
I know, it's going everywhere.
You know what it is though? It's that you like put me under immense stress.
I haven't done anything.
You're just all laid back and that while I'm bloody stressing.
You've just
and
been
you just stand there laughing at me.
You've just been asleep at home.
Yeah, and woke up to panic stations.
You don't have to. Just
What?
chill out. Your blood pressure will go through the roof. I'll have to take you to the doctors next week.
You've got to have a clean car.
Why don't you ever clean yours then?
Clean cars, sell.
Sell cars.
Simple as that.
You're doing a good job.
Well,
You splashed everyone in the golf club next door.
I can't believe I've done that. Why is someone standing there? I'm talking and like just like, yeah. RSC.
Gone.
So, I mean, are these interested in it? How interested do you get the feel of the phone call?
As I said, they were originally interested in this one. Then they wanted to have a look at this one. But now they've gone back to this one. There you go, you're getting me wet. Greg's got his trusty sponge out again. Many people don't like the sponge. They're like, right, you're getting me now. I'm gonna have to go in and hide from them.
Right, we're just waiting.
Just waiting.
I've had a shave and a haircut. Sarah says it's too short. But I said to the guy, I sat in the chair and the guy says, how do you want it? I said, skin fade on the sides and leave the top. So he got the shaver out, shaved it all off.
Did he shave it?
Huh?
Did he shave it?
Yeah, and I said I wanted the top left. He said, I thought you wanted it left in the shop. We're just going to list this camper, the T5 camping out, on eBay because we're not getting a lot of interest on it on Auto Trader, and we think, like, why? When it's priced right, accordingly, apparently, low miles. But I think have we had like 2 people ever view this? And they weren't even interested.
They were?
They weren't. They were just looking. There wasn't like ready to buy, was there?
No.
So, I don't know. But we've got about 15 minutes left waiting for these customers to come and have a look at the Fiat 500. They might also be interested in the green one. The green one looks absolutely lovely now. I might show you the green one actually.
Go and have a little look round.
Yeah. So obviously there's the camper. That's all fitted out beautiful. There's the one that they're potentially coming to look at, 16 plate, Fiat 500. We've had that for ages now. I don't know why no one's shown any interest in it. There's the green one. Now that looks mint. Well, mint green. Yeah, that's all done now. It's going for MOT tomorrow actually. Fingers crossed that all passes. It's got the nice seats in there. Nice and tidy. Look at that. I'll put that mat straight because it will need another vacuum again if they want it. But yeah, she's a beauty. But yeah, thank God we've got decent weather again because it was going to rain earlier. And tomorrow we're absolutely flat out. We're absolutely flat out tomorrow. We've got big things happening.
Sleeping capacity
2 and 2
transmission.
It's four belted seats.
Model year. What was it again? 2007.
I think so, yeah.
Look at the number plate for me.
2007.
Previous owners.
I think it's a one owner from there. And 70,000 miles. I'm pretty sure.
I've also got to take the pearl theatre tomorrow for touch up on the door to Blade.
God, yeah, I forgot about that. That's not till lunchtime.
Oh, is it not?
No.
Okay.
He's away, so he said drop it at lunchtime, he'll be back by then.
Okay, I'll give him a ring beforehand anyway.
Yeah, do that and then we'll fly it
2 former keepers.
I'll have to follow you up there and bring you back because we've got to leave it with him overnight.
Wheelbase.
Short.
Axles.
2.
Number of bedrooms.
1.
Condition.
As you can imagine, this went on for quite a while. Right, so we've got some good news actually. Where do I start? Well, we bought a little 08 plate yesterday for spares. That came along because the guy had enough of it and he'd been trying to fix it and keep going, but it kept breaking and something else went, so he gave up. We bought that for spares, and also Sarah has done a deal on another Fiat 500 this morning, so that's literally 5 cars in 1 week now. Can't complain of that. I think we're actually running out of cars now. What have we got? I think we've only got 1 Fiat left for sale, which has got to go for MOT in the morning. See how that gets on. But yeah, things are quite busy. I know, so I'm reading some things online that some people are quiet, but we have been very quiet. But now, don't know, things are flying along. So fingers crossed it keeps going this way. But yeah, Sarah's just gone for MOT. She will be back in about half an hour. She'll probably tell you more about it anyway.
What have you ordered?
I don't know.
Light. She hasn't got that to me.
A light?
No, a mirror.
No, that's for a van.
What's it called?
Dave's van.
Who's Dave?
Dave round the corner.
Oh, Dave round the corner.
Yeah.
Has he broke his light?
He's broke his mirror.
Oh, silly Dave.
It's not a light.
No, it's a mirror. Could have been a light if there was a bulb in it. But she did want to originally leave the £200 deposit, but I said it is non-refundable because obviously we have to take it off the other potential customers. We could lose a sale, couldn't we, if I don't want it in the end.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, all.
It is Wednesday, and
Auction day.
it's also auction day. So we're going to be bidding live online today. We've got a few Fiats going through. I've had my haircut and it's too short, but it's alright and it's too short. Leave it in the comments if you think it's too short.
Leave it in the comments if you think he looks like a handsome little devil.
Right,
I know who's going to comment.
oh, here's Martin. As I was saying, live on auction today. We're going for some Fiat 500s. And we'll see what we can pull out the bag. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, we need to get some more stock in here. Please don't put that in.
Today we're going to be viewing on Mannheim.
I haven't looked.
Now, this isn't sponsored, but Mannheim is an online car auction which you can actually visit their sites around the country. But we've yet to visit one because we're always at bloody work. We'd like to visit one. Mannheim, if you want to invite us over and do us a bacon sandwich, more than happy to come
Have
over.
you been to Mannheim before?
No, remember we had that bacon sandwich before? That was at, what's it called? Morning, Mart.
Morning, Mark.
Let's get on with the auction.
Straight in online, 50 to the pound, 16, 17, 17, 18. Anybody on the hall want to get involved? They're leaving it all to the net. 80 to the pounds online, 19 bid, 1900, 90 bid, 90 bid, take halves now. 90 to the pounds order on to the net, 1900 selling once, 50, 1950, 1950, sold once, sold 2 bid, 50. That was a late one, wasn't it? To the 50 on the phone outside. To the 50, yes, no, in the valley. To the 50, sold once, 1 online, 2 1. To the 1, once, twice, and 4 3.
Next one, number 47.
She doesn't actually know that I was bidding on that, but I have, so it's one of them. Alright, sir.
No,
No? You're not alright?
no, I'm not.
No?
No.
No?
You just keep moaning.
You know what I've just done?
Don't care.
You don't care?
No.
Okay.
What have you brought?
I thought you said you don't care.
I want to know.
Huh?
Tell me. What have you brought?
Well, it's not a Fiat 500.
What is it?
It's a Volkswagen
Polo.
Polo.
What colour?
White.
What, reg? We never said about that. I haven't done any checks on that. What? I'm going to stamp on your toe.
So,
Yeah.
we've got an Abarth coming up next.
I bloody told you, you pleb.
Oh,
The grey one.
did she? Yeah. What are we doing?
We're running.
Are we going to bid or not?
Depends.
What does it depend on?
The price.
Obviously.
That was a stupid question.
Yeah. It's like twin colour grey. And it has got like a vinyl hood, which Sarah doesn't like the vinyl hoods.
You are?
You don't like the convertibles.
No, I don't know.
But this could be an exception. But the only other thing, it is semi-auto.
Yeah, I'm not really
Next
keen.
one is an Abarth. 500 T-Jet petrol auto, 3 history spare grade 2, full of bronze shape, £5,000, no messing about. Bid 5. Sold 5. £1,000 bid of 5. Whole bid 5. 1.
What was
51.
that about?
Once. 51. Twice. Thank you. 2.
Jeez.
53. 54. In the corner. 50.
How much?
54. 50. 55. 50. Says no. Anybody else? Hands
Jeez.
up. 55, 50 once, twice, 55, 50. And the
Strong.
buyer.
5550.
99.
plus fees. So that's
5.9.
six. Yeah, it's nearly £6 grand. Seems a lot, don't it? That for that. What was it? A 12 plate or something?
3 online.
Now, Sarah's just gone out on road test. Right. This could be the 5th time in a week that she sells a car. Now I'm feeling pretty confident about this because they did come yesterday and they did have a look. I think it's the same people, and now they've just asked for a road test. Could it be 5 in a week? I can hear giggling, so people are happy. That's the main thing. People are happy. So, service with a smile. We've literally bid on this about 2 hours ago, and look who's here. No chancy cam this time, mind, but he's picked the little Polo mint up, and it don't look too bad, to be fair. Wants a little bit of tidying up and that, and the inside needs a good valet.
Nice set of wheels. Does need a nice set of wheels on it.
Well, it's got the hubcaps on there, hasn't it? But they're all right. They'll clean up. Do you know what I mean?
It's unusual not to get a Fiat 500.
So we didn't bother. Like, I just went for something different, something outside the box. But we've had Polos before. Like, we like them, and they're good sellers. So
Yeah, good reliable cars, isn't they?
yeah, they are. Of course, they are. And cheap insurance, 1.2. You know how we do.
With the 1.2.
That's it. Tyres are all right, aren't they? No. Well, that's all right. We'll get round that. Got some nice. I can get some nice new tyres for her. Nice new boots, shoes. Right, then let's get this off, get it in, and then we can get this. Get a health check done on this. Be tomorrow now, I reckon.
So you've got to say hello to her.
Oh, okay. Right. Chancy's just informed me that some of the staff at the Mannheim auction actually watched the video, so hello everyone at Mannheim. There, everyone's saying hello. Just needs a good valet, don't it? Good clean up. Meanwhile, Sarah broke the news to me that she'd sold yet another car, which I had to jump on and make sure it had a full valet ready for collection. As you can see, I've just detailed this beautiful spec mint green Fiat 500. It's got the 15-inch gloss black alloys, brand new tyres, beautiful interior. Everything's working as it should do. It passed its MOT with no advisories yesterday, and we sold it 2 days prior to that. This lasted around 2 days on the pitch. An amazing example of a Fiat 500 2014. How are you getting on with that thumbnail?
Alright, thank you.
Everything
How are you
alright?
getting on? Yeah, nearly done.
Good. For some reason, I don't know how, but we've got blocked off BCA. Not that we really buy anything, that's probably why they blocked us off, isn't it? Because we don't really use BCA, do we? But I was just going on a couple of live auctions, just having a little mooch round today, because obviously it's short on stock. So like, we're clutching at straws, really. Can't find anything decent about. But again, that's always the way. When everyone's selling out of stock, then
When we're not looking, they pop up, and when we are when we aren't looking, they pop up. When we are looking, you flipping. It's like finding a needle in a haystack.
yeah, I think that's all we've got time for on this one. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, I appreciate all your support as well, because we've had like 800 subscribers since like the last video, hasn't it?
Yeah,
So it's gone through the roof in over a week.
Everyone for liking, subscribing and commenting. If you
welcome.
haven't already, don't forget to click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, and it will just help us and our channel grow.